Have you ever pondered the environmental transformation of northern India, the land that cradles the majestic Himalayas, the fertile Gangetic plains, and the arid Thar Desert? The story of northern India's environmental degradation is a tale etched in time, revealing the consequences of human actions over centuries. It's a narrative that begins in the distant past, when northern India was a verdant paradise, home to diverse ecosystems and abundant wildlife. In the early days, the people lived in harmony with nature, practicing sustainable agriculture, preserving forests, and maintaining the purity of rivers. The Himalayas, the Thar Desert, and the Gangetic plains flourished, providing sustenance and shelter to countless species. However, the advent of the Industrial Revolution in the 19th century marked a turning point. As factories sprung up, they began spewing toxic effluents into rivers and belching smoke into the sky. The once clear air grew thick with pollutants, and the pristine rivers turned into murky, lifeless waterways. The 20th century saw an explosion in population growth, further accelerating environmental degradation. Forests were razed to make way for cities, and the relentless demand for resources led to over-extraction, straining the region's natural systems. The Himalayas, once a bastion of biodiversity, started showing signs of distress as glaciers receded and wildlife populations dwindled. In recent years, the fallout of climate change has exacerbated the situation. Rising temperatures have intensified the melting of Himalayan glaciers, threatening the water security of millions. The Gangetic plains, once the breadbasket of India, are grappling with declining soil fertility and erratic monsoons, and the Thar Desert is expanding, creeping into agricultural lands and turning them barren. Yet amidst this grim tableau, there is room for hope. Environmental restoration is not just a possibility, it's an imperative. The time has come to shift our gaze from exploitation to conservation, from indifference to action. Begin by educating yourself and others about the importance of environmental conservation. Understand the interconnectedness of all life forms and the role each one plays in maintaining the balance of our ecosystems. Then take tangible steps. Plant trees, reduce, reuse, recycle. Support organizations that work towards environmental conservation. Advocate for stricter environmental policies. Remember, every action, however small, can contribute to the larger cause of environmental restoration. The story of northern India's environmental degradation is not just a tale of loss. It's a call to arms, a plea for change. It's an invitation to each of us to step up, to make a difference, to ensure that the land that has nurtured civilizations for millennia continues to thrive for generations to come.